Our two greatest challenges are hand injuries and eye injuries. The unit is self-contained. The employees able to fully protect their face. It was futuristic, I'll say. It was something that wasn't viewed at before. It's an all-inclusive unit. The employees are able to work freely and be protected. One shot does it all. Most of the employees really like them. You always have, in any group, you have a couple people that are not going to like them. But as they're seeing all their coworkers using them, we have more and more people that are saying, I want to try one of those. I want to wear one of those. They're not constantly having to come out of a tank. They're just able to continue working. When they stop working, they have a choice. They can either take off the unit, disconnect the helmet, and put on their regular hard hat and walk around, or they can keep the helmet on and walk around that way.